the first team to win the Durand Cup back to back after 1991 is a great honor, is a great achievement. I would want to believe that we're going to make this a habit and win it every year. The Durand Cup is a very, very prestigious tournament for us. Being Indian, it's very, very important to us and to the fabric of Northeast United FC. And I would like to thank the entire management. I would like to thank the coach, the entire coaching staff, the entire training staff. And most of all, I'd like to thank each and every single player and each and every person that has helped us put this team together and get us in order to finally see us as back-to-back champions of the Durand Cup. I think we're, if I may say so, Northeast United FC is a very resilient club. I personally run this club with a lot of passion that I feel. Times are tough, but we've held out. We've proved that we're here to stay. We've proved that we want to be important contributors to the Indian footballing ecosystem, and we want to get stars out of India for the world to see. We want to make India proud, and we want to do that from Northeast United FC. And this journey wouldn't have been possible without everyone who's contributed in this process. So thank you everyone who's associated with the club.